Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices because a low battery or disabled radio stops pairing. Power on the remote and confirm it has at least 20% charge. This prevents mid-pair failures. Once done, open your device's settings and turn Bluetooth on so the radio scans. Then press and hold the pair button on the remote until the LED blinks rapidly. That indicates pairing mode. Make sure you stay within 3 meters and avoid active Wi-Fi interference while You now let the device discover the remote. Pick its name from the scan list so the handshake begins. If a PIN or numeric code appears, either type the code or confirm it. This ensures you're connecting to the right device and prevents spoofing. After connection, grant permissions the system requests for input, keyboard, or media control. Without these, certain buttons won't work. Once paired, test a single button to verify latency and response, and make small adjustments to keep a reliable link. You finish by customizing controls and verifying every button does what you expect. Use the companion app to remap keys if needed. Make sure you test media play /pause, navigation, and volume so you catch issues early. If input feels laggy, check for firmware updates and install them because updates fix compatibility. If something goes wrong, try the simple fix. Unpair the remote, reboot your device, then pair again. That clears stale profiles and solves most stubborn connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.